Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to stake Tron coin on Tron Wallet. So let's start. First, open the Tron Wallet app. To enter the app, you have to enter your PIN number. This is the home screen of your app. Now tap on Freeze. To stake Tron in the Tron Wallet, you have to have Tron balance in your account. Then you can select the percentage of your balance. Or you can enter a custom amount. When you are done, tap on Freeze. And then you will proceed to the transaction. And that's how you can stake Tron coin on Tron Wallet app. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.